right, boys and girls, we are going to now review for your quiz that we're fixing to take over, showing what you know about counting on the 120s chart and being able to count numbers up to 120. So we're going to do some examples together that'll help you with the quiz. Now, what I want us to do is, let's look at this first one. It says start at 102. So guys, if I was doing my quiz, I would go to 102 on my counting chart, okay? And then it says one more than 102. So I just count over how many more. You're right, 1. So, 1 more than 102 would be 103. And I would write that down. Then I would go to my next. 2 more than 102 is, well, I go back to that number, 102, and I just count over 2 more. 1, 2. That gets me to 104. So then I would write 104. And then we're also going to have to count by 5s. So 5 more than 102 is, I would go to 102 and I count over 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 107. So it's just counting on. You're going to have to count on by 1s, 2s, and 5s. Now, let's look at another kind of problem that you're going to have to do on this quiz. It says count by 1. So it says 76, 78, So 76, I know, okay, I need to find 76 on my 120s chart. There it is. And it told me to count by 1, so I go over 1 and I see 77. So then I just write 77. So then I have 76, 77, 78. Some of you already know what goes there. But I'm going to use my chart, my counting chart. So 78, there it is. One more is 79. All right, the next one says count by 2. So now remember, count by 2 is like skip counting. So I know what to start at, 44. So I'm going to find 44 on my 120s chart, and I'm going to count over 2 because I'm going to count by 2s. 1, 2. There it is, 46. Yes, I skipped the number 45, didn't I? So I'm at 44, 46, 48. So then I'll find 48. I'll count over 2. 1, 2. And I see that I've counted to 50. So I'll write 50 there. I have skip counted. Now it tells me count by 5. All right, well, it tells me what number to find. 110. So, I'm going to look down. I know the hundreds are at the bottom. There it is, 110. And I'll count over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there is my answer, 115. Guys, you're going to do both sides of your quiz and you're going to work problems out just like the ones that I just did with you. When you finish that, I then want you to go to your addition zipper page and I want you to do both sides. I want you to do both sides of it. Okay? And then when you finish that, you can do some iReady math, about 10 minutes of it. All right. right, you can go ahead and get busy.